see this question, how can we solve? This is the question from 2021. In this, they said equivalent resistance across A and B, right? So this is A terminal and this is B terminal. This we can consider as C terminal and this we can consider as D terminal, right? So in this wire, they have connected between C point and D point. Can I redraw the diagram like this? Because this is also the C point and D point. Just they have connected the wire outside, but I want to connect the wire inside. So that would be a 30 ohm resistor. Okay, clear? This is how much? 10 ohm. This is how much? 15. How much? 25 ohm. This is how much? 20 ohm. Correct? So basically what I did, just instead of like taking the wire outside, I connect the wire inside, that is 30 ohm, and the 5 ohm wire will be as it is. Okay, understood? So can I redraw the diagram like this? Yes or no? Tell me. Hmm? Oh, okay, okay. Now this was the diagram and we need to calculate resistance across A and B. As you can see that it is a delta connection, right? It will make a delta connection. Can we convert this delta connection into the star connection, right? So star connection will be like this. So we'll need to use the formula of delta to star. If I'll redraw the diagram after converting, then the diagram will be like this. One would be 25 ohm, this one would be 20 ohm. Okay, this one was A terminal and this one was existing was B terminal, right? This one was B terminal and the wire between A and B is 5 ohm. Got it? Clear? So as we can see that this wire, this resistance would be how much? 10 into 15 divided by sum of all the resistance, that is 10 plus 15 plus 30, if you know about the formula for delta to star. Now this wire is how, this resistance is how much? 15 into 30 divided by sum of all resistance, that is 30 plus 40 and then 55, right? This resistance is how much? 10 into 30 divided by 55. Okay, now tell me, any doubt up to here? Hmm? What I did, I just converted from delta to star. Now as you can see that these two resistances are connected in series, right? These two resistances are connected in series, correct? Then combined, it will be connected in parallel, right? If I'll redraw the diagram, then the diagram would be like this. And then it would be connected across. This is A terminal, this is B terminal, and this is connected across 5 ohm resistance, right? I don't know these values, but these values would be, now it would be connected in parallel, then that would be connected into single resistance, right? Again, if I'll redraw the diagram would be like this. This is again A and B. Now as you can see that these two resistances are connected in series and combined it will be connected in parallel with this 5 ohm. So that would be the value for RAB. Understand?